Thank you all for coming today to share and celebrate the love and commitment between Taylor and Carlye.
I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away.
After all this time, we are finally at
I will hold on
I can't wait to see you. You are my home.
I don't know what I'd do.
You're so beautiful.
I am happy to pronounce you husband and wife. Taylor, you may now kiss your bride.
Without you, you can take me high.
Carlye, aka my travel buddy and double trouble. She's a girl of many talents. She's small but mighty, you know? I love that.
Honestly, Carlye, this is just a formality. You've really been part of the family for quite some time now.
Feels like I can fly.
To Carlye and Taylor.
Cheers to the Kogan!